So there are a lot of people who believe that fitness is related to mental health as well. So
Because, absolutely, exercises release good hormones. Like, they release a lot of endorphins.
and I know they like let you work like a pressure cooker always.
या हमेशा सेल्फ डाउट करती थी कि क्या मैं भाग पाऊंगी, क्या मैं स्किपिंग फॉर एग्जाम्पल. बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मिक्स अप इंटेंसिटी ऑल्सो, कि किसी दिन आपने हाई किया, किसी दिन लो किया, किसी दिन आपने कुछ वर्कआउट किया. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मिक्स अप ऑल.
Hey everyone, I welcome you all in another episode of Voices and Visions. And today my interesting and inspiring guest is Jayashree Goenka. Who is Jayashree Goenka? She is a powerhouse and her journey is as diverse as her background. She is born and brought up in Nepal and then she started studying in India. She has done her schooling from Mussoorie, then she went to Delhi for undergraduation and then she finished it off with an MBA from SIBM Pune. Now, if you are picturing her in a sharp suit, carrying a briefcase and juggling numbers, you are not far off. She joined ICICI Bank where she spent a solid 2.5 years recruiting for Maharashtra and Goa. But here is a twist. This is not the end of story. This is the beginning of her journey, her dreams. While everyone was busy chasing deadlines, Jayashree was busy chasing a different kind of dream. One where she could move, groove, and break a sweat without answering emails. She decided to leave the corporate world behind, sorry ICICI, and dive headfirst into the world of fitness. After all, what's a few spreadsheets when you can be shaking to Zumba beats? Fast forward to today, Jayashree is now a certified Zumba trainer, and trust us, she knows how to make those hips move. But here is the real kicker. She wasn't always a fitness guru, she is now. In fact, weighed 75 kgs. My God. At one point, she took on her own fitness journey and shed those extra kilos like a pro. In a nutshell, from banking to belly dancing, Jayashree's story proves that when you follow your passion, the only thing you will lose is a doubt and maybe a few kilos as well. Well, Jayashree lost 21 kilos.
That I did. Absolutely incredible journey.
So Jayashree, how it all began? Like you are running a fitness center. This was your journey, like you lost 21 kgs. What inspired you, because now you want to help others as well. So what inspired you to do so? You generally people like they are fit and they are okay with that. Like now I'm fit and I'm doing my own work. But you want to help others. How it all started?
So, it's a funny story. Since childhood, I'm a Marwadi, from a Marwadi family. So you understand as to how foodie we've all been. Bhujia, tikda and achar have always been the, most common breakfast for all of us.
Absolutely.
So I did tend to gain a lot of weight. So, as a child also, I was always very chubby when I went to school. A lot of friends used to call me, in terms, because body shaming becomes a part of your life without you realizing that you're a part of it. So a lot of people used to be like, oh, moti hai, ye hai, wo hai. And a lot of relatives used to tell me all the time. That never really, I never really understood the downfalls of it. But when I started my corporate journey, I started realizing that, I'm constantly on my laptop answering emails. But what am I doing to myself? One night I had a realization. So I started working out. And I've always seen my parents also work out. So slowly, that interest started coming in. And now, when I was in a hostel also, punishments in the sense of like if you're late for something, if somebody wants to punish you, it would be like, oh, go and take a, run around the field.
Yeah.
Or maybe a morning PT because we had to wake up in the hostel at 5:30 for it. So it all felt like a punishment. And I weighted 75 kgs then, like when I was with ICICI Bank.
Okay.
So I realized, no, this is not, I hated working out. I hated going to the gym. I absolutely hated everything that was, in the process of it. But slowly, I started to read about it. I started to push myself one day at a time, like, slow progress. Started to take a few walks, 10,000 steps a day. And I started realizing when I'm working out, I started getting more happier, more confident. I started getting much more like, when people were talking to me, now instead of calling me Moti, they were like, oh, you look great. And that compliment was like, I felt great, like, I felt really good. So it kept pushing me forward.
Okay.
And that's when I thought of this, why wouldn't I work out? It's because a lot of times you feel like आप एक रूटीन में स्टक हो चुके हैं, आपको आता नहीं है कि अब आगे क्या करना है, आपके प्रॉब्ली पोस्चर्स गलत हो सकते हैं, प्रॉब्ली आपके पास एक कम्युनिटी नहीं है आपको पुश करने के लिए. एंड दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम विथ मी. लाइक मेरे को अपने ऊपर सेल्फ डाउट्स था कि क्या पता मैं ये कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी. एंड दैट्स व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड मी टू स्टार्ट समथिंग लाइक दिस हियर.
Sometimes मुझे लगता है कि these comments they inspire us.
Absolutely,
No?
absolutely.
Because sometimes we feel like कि like oh I'm Moti and like it like ऐसा होता है, it happens with us. And to reduce those comments like we want to be like हमें एक smart बनना है, we want to this, we want to do that, and maybe that inspired you.
So again, like I used to feel like fitness, आप gym जा रहे हो, you have to be a certain kind. You have to look a certain kind, and all of those progress in life also. But slowly, my vision started changing. Like maybe was I seeing it all wrong? Ki, it's only about weight. It's not about ki, fitness is so much more. In the
Actually,
process of it, I started understanding it.
Maximum people do not understand what fitness is. So what according to you like fitness is, and why do you think it's important for everyone? Like from do you think it's important for kids as well?
Absolutely. Because kids these days, you see, पहले के टाइम पे people would still go कि आपने गेम्स खेल लिया, आप बाहर जाके आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं, आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ में भी क्रिकेट खेलने जा रहे हैं, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. बट टुडे मोबाइल फोन्स आर वेरी एक्सेसिबल. Kids are always, आजकल like younger kids also have phones, and that's when outdoor activities reduce. And kids also need certain parents to push them कि आप ये करो, आप वो करो, आप ये करो. Internal this thing becomes you rather play FIFA, but that अंदर से जो आता है ना कि I want to go for a run today, I want to do this for myself, that does not come, that push. So of course it's very important because your bones get healthier, your heart gets healthier, kids start getting smarter and sharper, their behavior changes a lot, they get happier in life altogether.
Absolutely.
And in fact, the only trick is to make it fun. So you make the workout fun for kids, for anybody at all. You just make it fun so that later on in life also they stick to it.
Absolutely.
And if they enjoy it, they're more likely to do it. It's a pattern. To have a future good, to have a good future, you need to set the foundation strong.
Generally, kids do not want to do exercises. That's a big problem for parents as well, because
Yeah.
they don't want to do exercises. Although they play games, but as you told, like अभी बच्चे मोबाइल में ज़्यादा busy मोबाइल में रहते हैं rather than playing outdoor games. So that's why of course fitness is very important for them. So what are the simple exercises they can do?
What kids can basically do is they can go for outdoor runs, they can go for a hike maybe with their parents, they can go for swimming during the summers, they can go for anything that brings them fun. What we here do is we try to make a lot of fun in terms of get innovative classes for them, agility ladders, we try to make them use shuttle runs, we use color coordination games, we try to make it as fun and possible, like as fun and for them, so that they always look forward to the next class.
Okay.
And it does not seem like a punishment altogether to them.
Okay. So from which age they can start your classes?
There is no age to fitness. That's the thing.
Okay.
Like even actually when you asked me the question as to why did I start with Ananta Fitness, this was a motive for me. जैसे जब मैं when I used to be fat, I used to think कि बस मैं kgs अपना कम कर लूँ, मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी लाइफ में.
हाँ, generally यही
क्योंकि यही लगता है
mentality
notion.
होती है. हाँ.
But इस दौरान मैंने अपना I started finding myself within कि ये जर्नी सिर्फ वेट लॉस की नहीं है. इससे मेरे को बहुत इमेंस कॉन्फिडेंस आया. आई फेल्ट हैप्पी, आई फेल्ट लाइक मेंटल क्लैरिटी हो रही थी मेरे साथ, माई पॉस्चर्स वर करेक्ट. मैं कहीं पे भी जाती थी तो पीपल यूज्ड टू आस्क मी, oh your skin is glowing, oh you look great, you look fabulous, you look more confident, thank you by the way. But that was the entire gist of it.
Okay.
So there is no age, there is no कि आप यंग हो, आपको 5 साल में स्टार्ट करना है, आप अभी 40 के हो तो आप अभी नहीं कर सकते, आप अभी 70 के हो तो आप अभी नहीं कर सकते. इनफैक्ट it's always good to do some or the other forms of it. Of course, जो आप करते हैं during that age, that matters. So probably at a older age, आप cardio थोड़ा कम करेंगे. You can go for a light walk. You can do like simpler exercises. That does not strain your body.
So there's no age to start your fitness journey.
That is
according
true.
to Jayashree. Okay, Jayashree, what do you think are the myths of fitness? There are a lot of people, they have a lot of myths about fitness. What can you please tell me a few myths?
Definitely. अब जैसे मैं बचपन में मम्मी को भी बोलती थी, लाइक आई सीन मम्मी हमेशा फिटनेस में थी. सुबह उठ के 4 बजे उठते हैं वो, माय मम्मी एंड पापा. माय फादर हेट्स इट, बट माय मॉम इज ऑल लाइक उठो उठो. सो they've been a part of this. I've seen them grow all throughout with it. So mummy used to have a lot of saggy arms and she's quite chubby herself also. So मैं उन्हें कहती थी आप जिम क्यों नहीं जाते? तो कहती नहीं नहीं, डंबल्स उठाने से डोले शोले बन जाएंगे, मेरे को इतना मैनली नहीं दिखना है.
That's what I even think.
Yeah, a lot of people think that.
I really follow it because I don't want to like do the dumbbells वगैरह मुझसे नहीं उठाए जाएंगे because I know मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि body बन जाएगी, I'll become manly.
Yeah, that is a big myth, A lot of, in fact, even right now when people come and talk to me about it, they be like अगर हम लोग वेट ट्रेनिंग करेंगे तो हम लोग बल्क अप तो नहीं हो जाएंगे कि हमारे ऐसे डोले शोले निकल रहे हैं and we look like a man and all of that. So I said no, that's not really true. Fitness, I mean when you lift weights आप बल्क नहीं होते हैं because that's not possible. Women are not designed that kind.
Okay.
Our hormones don't allow us to, unless and until आप उसी के लिए train कर रहे हैं. So if you lift weights, it's not that your hormonal profile does not allow you to, become like bulked up and all of that.
This is something new. I'm listening from you.
Yeah, that is one very big, myth that's there. And secondly, of course, because strength training is incredible. If you do it today, your future self is going to thank you for. Strength training is that important because आप at your 50s maybe या 60s आप कुछ भी उठा रहे हैं, you have to bend, but the strength comes from within at a younger age. It builds up. So that is one very big notion that people have. And secondly, लोग सोचते हैं कि ठीक है मैंने आज वर्कआउट कर लिया, अब मैं जाके कुछ भी खा सकता हूँ कि यार मैंने आज पिज्जा खा लेता हूँ एंड मे बी शाम को जाके 2 एक्स्ट्रा एक्सरसाइज कर लूंगा या ट्रेडमिल में.
Everyone does that.
Yeah, but then that's not how it works because if you're not, आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, let's say आपने वर्कआउट किया पर आप सही खाना नहीं खा रहे हैं, so your body does not give you that result. You need certain kinds of carbs and you need certain kind of fats, you need proteins, you need all of that. So अगर आप कुछ भी खा रहे कि मैं इसको कॉम्पनसेट कर लूंगा एक और एक्सरसाइज या एक और घंटा एक्सरसाइज का करके, दैट इज अ बिग मिथ.
नहीं होता है. आप डंबल्स उठा सकते हैं, आपके डोले नहीं बनेंगे और क्या बताया,
करेक्ट,
कुछ भी खाकर और यू कैन नॉट कॉम्पनसेट विद डूइंग सम एक्सरसाइजेस. सो दीज आर द मिथ्स. So do not do it. So there are a lot of people who believe that fitness is related to mental health as well. So do you think this is it a myth or is it reality that fitness is related to mental health as well?
Oh, I love that you asked me this question because absolutely exercises release good hormones, like they release a lot of endorphins and that's a happy feel good hormone. So when you work out, you're sweating it out, you release a lot of negative energy, you release a lot of, आप उस टाइम में कुछ सोचते नहीं है, you're just constantly working out on yourself and that helps you release so much negativity from your life. It reduces stress, it's known to reduce a lot of anxiety, even depression. And you'll see that you start getting happier after each workout. You feel light, you feel like you've gotten the negative energy out, you've gotten more of positive energy inside now, and that ways it helps you get mental clarity also. So it's absolutely when people say that it helps with your mental clarity, it helps you with your mental peace, I strongly believe so.
It happened with you because you were working in a corporate and I know they let you work like a pressure cooker always.
Yeah.
So you started working, you felt like कि अब ये थोड़ा सा reduce हो रहा है, मेरा pressure reduce हो रहा है. Do you feel?
Yeah, you won't believe, रात को जब मैं सोती थी ना, मेरे को सपने भी काम के बारे में ही आते थे कि ये मेल लिखना मैं भूल गई, इनको मैं रिप्लाई करना भूल गई, I had a meeting to schedule, या इंटरव्यू ये नहीं लिया मैंने. बट जब मैं वर्कआउट 2019 onwards मैं regular workouts करने लगी अपने आप पे. अब going to the gym also, going to CrossFit classes also, and मैं घर पे भी करती थी काफी.
Okay.
So then I started realizing कि एक मैंने अपनी बाउंड्री सेट कर दी थी. काम एक साइड है, अपना हेल्थ एक साइड में है. And I started being happier in life. I could sleep better. I woke up happier. I had so much more energy to give to the people I love. I didn't have any time for any of the bullshits in across my life. So it got very, 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 it helped me focus also get better.
ये चीज बहुत लेट समझ आती है आई थिंक लोगों को.
थेरेपी है ये, एब्सोल्यूट थेरेपी.
योर हेल्थ कम्स फर्स्ट Like it is before anything else.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Have you can you share an inspiring success story from someone who transformed their life through fitness? Like it's you.
Yeah,
First
for
is
me,
you.
you know, I'd actually want to tell you that story. So, when I started out, सच्ची में मैं 50 मीटर भी नहीं भाग सकती थी.
Okay.
मतलब you know, not because I was overweight, but मेरे अंदर वो स्ट्रेंथ ही नहीं थी. मैं हमेशा सेल्फ डाउट करती थी कि क्या मैं भाग पाऊंगी, क्या मैं, you know, skipping for example, I hated it. Like it was the worst exercise I felt for me. मैं 10-15 करती थी, उतने में या तो थकान हो जाती थी या फिर you know मैं स्टम्बल होके गिर जाती थी. But धीरे 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 कंसिस्टेंसी वाइज मे बी वन डे आई डिड 1 पुशअप, अनदर डे आई डिड 2 पुशअप्स. धीरे 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 करते 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 इट हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड आउट मैं कुछ भी खाती थी. आप मेरे को बोल रहे हो पिज्जा खा लो, हाँ ठीक है. आप मेरे को पुचका के लिए पूछ रहे हो, ओके. मोमोज के लिए पूछ रहे हो, एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग. बट थ्रू दिस जर्नी यू स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग योरसेल्फ better. So you know, when I finished my college and I started with my MBA, so after my placement I ate a lot to celebrate my placement, so it became like a 75 kgs. तो फिर धीरे 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 I started getting into it. I started realizing कि you know I'm able to lift today इतना kgs. धीरे 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 I'm able to do so much more better. My flexibility has increased. Endurance has increased. So big successful story for me. I've always told myself you know it's not about that kg कि मेरे को 2 महीने में इतना कम करना है या मेरे को 5 महीने में अपना टारगेट रखना है.
Okay.
It's a lifestyle change. You know, you talk to me कि what's your future goal? I'll always say it's a lifestyle change for me. Probably आज मैं ट्रिप पे जाऊंगी तो I will still be a little more like ये भी खा लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया. But workout is to celebrate what your body can do. It's not only कि अब punishment है कि ये मैंने ट्रिप में ये किया, वो किया. So a success story altogether for me is now I've become so much more adventurous in life. I never thought कि मैं एक trainer बनूंगी someday. Like I don't think my parents would also be like, उनको तो I had to explain what a trainer is because they'd be like, तुम ICICI बैंक में करती थी, अब तुम ये कर रही हो, समझाओ कर क्या रही हो. But you know,
But it's okay, you're following your passion.
Absolutely.
That's important. Because your work is no more a work when you love it.
That
That's
is
what I
very
mean.
true.
Yeah.
You can give so much more.
Absolutely.
When people also talk to me now, it's not like you know, oh, काम है तो have to talk about it. It's completely my passion. It's been for a very long time. I think maybe.
Okay, so how different is Zumba from gym? Because a lot of people do gym, a lot of people prefer doing Zumba. So what is the difference? Like,
So a lot of people prefer going to the gym, and gyms have a lot of you know. Of course, they have a lot of weighted exercises also. They have a lot of machines. But the entire concept, and Zumba is basically more of, you know, you're dancing, you're sweating, but you don't realize that you're working out. So Zumba is basically, you know, you're just grooving on the music, you're dancing, you're working out, but without realizing that you're working out.
okay.
And
So you learn, like it's like आप dance भी सीख जाते हो Zumba करते करते, does it?
आप definitely you can hit those clubs. Move में आप जब clubs में जाएंगे, you can definitely. A lot of clients who've come here, they tell me कि oh we look forward to this you know song in the club ताकि हम लोग साथ में करके Zumba करेंगे. But
Okay.
I'll just tell you about Ananta in that case कि how is Ananta different from that of a gym. So you know जैसे किसी को अगर बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको पता नहीं क्या एक्सरसाइज करनी है कि अंदर से मोटिवेशन नहीं आती है, कम्युनिटी बिल्डअप नहीं होती है, या उन्हें लगता है कि मैं जिम जाऊंगा पर बाकी सब लोग इतना वेट ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, मेरे को तो वो फॉर्म्स भी नहीं आते हैं. सो यू नो आई विल बी लाइक दिस थिंग कि सब लोग देख के मेरे को बोल रहे हैं, या मैं बहुत मोटा हूँ बट आई डोंट हैव द कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट, या फिर ऐसे लगता है कि मेरे फ्लेक्सिबल आवर्स नहीं है, मैं सुबह ऑफिस के लिए जाता हूँ, शाम को मेरा ऑफिस है, तो मैं वर्कआउट कब करूँ.
It happens.
That is the entire gist of Ananta. We have multiple workout formats here. We give a lot of range of variety कि आप सुबह आओ, शाम को आओ,
Okay.
पर आप बस आओ.
Okay.
So that you know we make innovative classes, everything. So that's the when you talk about Ananta to someone, it's more like creating a community that pushes you to grow. That's you know helping you. There's a trainer who tailors each program
Okay.
as per your needs. So you know that's the entire difference between Ananta and a gym.
So you guys have tailor-made programs.
Yes, for all ages in fact. We keep classes for kids also. We keep classes for adults also. We keep workshops for the ladies who cannot, like, you know, who are not able to come for the workout sessions.
Okay.
We try to make it very engaging.
Okay, that's great. So fooding habits are also important. Like लोग कुछ भी खाते हैं and then they do like exercises. उनको लगता है कि एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ, सब खा के चल रहा है मेरा, दैट्स ओके. सो देयर इज स्पेसिफिक फूड दैट दे शुड स्किप हैविंग while like being doing zumba and all. तो ऐसा कुछ है फूड स्पेसिफिकली, वुड यू लाइक टू रिकमेंड सम टू अवर व्यूअर्स, लाइक कि क्या खाना चाहिए क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए? बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, लाइक इवन इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई बिलीव लाइक मैं सुबह वॉक पे जा रही हूँ, मैं तो कुछ भी खा सकती हूँ. सो
That is true. A lot of people do that.
I do. A lot of people do that. So, is there any specific plan they should follow? Like they are exercising, they are going for Zumba, even gymming भी कर रहे हैं. But there should be specific food. They should quit having it. कुछ ऐसा है, और कुछ ऐसा है कि they should have it. Like in their everyday like life, they should have it. It's must.
Well, you know, that's a very valid question because nutrition plays a critical role in supporting your fitness levels.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, there's not one particular thing ki one thing aap ye khao to it should fit all. But, you know, having the right kind of food that fits you can actually aid in your muscle recovery, can help you with your performance when you're working out, can also help you, you know, get the proper result that you're looking out for. So, for example, eating a balanced diet of proteins, carbs, fats is extremely important.
Sorry to interrupt you. A lot of people say like chia seeds खा लो सुबह, या फिर there is one more, what we call it, flax seeds खा लो, पानी में डाल के पी लो, खाना मत खाओ. Are these myths or what? It is important, ये करना चाहिए? What do
So, you know,
believe?
chia seeds has a lot of fiber. So, I absolutely love it. I take it with a glass of water. I put it in my bottle and, you know, I keep sipping it throughout the day. Chia seeds keeps you very, I mean, it keeps you full also for a longer time.
Okay.
It also provides you the nutrients in terms of, you know, it's fiber. So, you poop also better. Your gut health is better. You get the nutrients that you require from. And about chia seeds, about the flax seeds that you're saying, absolutely. I have flax seeds every day. Again, like I'm saying that one thing might not, जो मेरे सूट करता है probably might not suit many people, but it has high content of omega. So, you know, I'm a vegetarian myself, so I don't eat any form of, even be it egg, be it fish, or be it anything. So I need those supplements in extra. So flaxseed being like a very organic product and not like, you know, any medicine and all together, it's a very good source of omega-3. So I
You can have
absolutely,
it.
yeah.
It's not a myth. You can have it. Okay, Jayashree, tell me, what are some common fitness mistake people make when they start their journey? Like एकदम से some people do that कि एकदम से सारा एक ही दिन में सब exercises कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, correct.
So is it a mistake they do?
So that's absolutely one of the biggest mistake, like you said. So what people do is oftentimes they jump into intense exercises right on spot, like, you know, कि आपने 2 दिन कर लिया है, ठीक है, 5 kg है, रोज उठाता हूँ, 10 kg है, 5 किलोमीटर भाग लूंगा ऐसे ही. नहीं, that's not how things work, because it's a process. You have to trust the process, and you need to give the body the, you know, your body needs to start feeling it also altogether. So one very big mistake is that people don't start slow. Instead वो एक ही टाइम में जंप कर देते into it that I can do it, which is very great. Of course, the motivation is very great that I can do it, but you should start slow so that you can take it for a longer period of time. Your body does not burn out, you don't injure yourself. You know, it's very common for people to get hurt when they're working out otherwise, and that might injure you for months and months or maybe years also. There have been many mishaps, so you should take it slow and start gradually building up that, you know, pace of yours and strength and endurance. But another type big mistake that they make is not paying attention to their food, like food intake that they're doing, because often it's said that 20% of you know, is fitness, but 80% of your body is made in the kitchen.
Absolutely.
So you have to pay attention to your nutrition so that you sleep better, you recover better, you come back stronger, and, you know, you're absolutely able to give in your best. And the thirdly, like the most common mistake that I ever find is people आज सुबह वर्कआउट भी कर लेंगे, शाम को स्पोर्ट्स भी खेल लेंगे, कल भी वर्कआउट करेंगे, शाम को ये कर लेंगे, they'll push their body, which is again absolutely good, but you need recovery, and for recovery you need rest. So a rest day is extremely important. It's not like कि मैं 30 दिन वर्कआउट कर लूंगा तो I will reach that goal. You need to give your body the time to recover also. So hence these are some common mistakes that I always find across.
One more term which I have heard recently, it's cheat meal day. So is it also important?
Yeah, absolutely. It's so important, यार. You have to satisfy your hunger.
Okay.
Otherwise, आप उसको तो मतलब cheat meals you keep a certain day कि मैं इतना achieve करूँगा, मैं इस दिन को ये रखूँगा, cheat meal रखूँगा, I'll be eating this thing. So you keep your calories, you count your calories. There are many apps for you to calculate that.
Okay.
In case if somebody is looking forward to getting into the track right altogether in fitness. So you track your calories आप जो intake कर रहे हैं, आप cheat meal रखिए. नहीं तो you'll be like craving sugar and someday you will hit your plateau and you'll be like, oh now today I've had 5 मतलब आप you endless cupcakes खा लिया, endless sugar खा लिया. You have to satisfy the craving.
Okay.
So you
that's
should
okay.
keep.
It's okay to have a cheat meal day as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Okay, Jayashree, how can someone overcome the fitness plateau or lack of motivation?
That is one thing that I also felt. जैसे जब मैं वर्कआउट कर रही थी वेरी रेगुलरली ड्यूरिंग 2019 जब स्टार्ट किया था, तो बीच बीच में लगता था कि आई एम टायर्ड ना, आई डोंट हैव द मोटिवेशन. मैंने 2 दिन स्किप किया, 5 दिन स्किप किया, आई हैव हिट माय प्लेटो, आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग द रिजल्ट इन इट. कि अब मैं जितना भी कर रही हूँ कुछ हो तो नहीं रहा है, तो मे बी इट्स जस्ट गोइंग फॉर अ वेस्ट. ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स वर देयर. But फिर I started understanding. I read about it a lot. I started following a lot of people also for it. कि you have to mix your routine.
Okay.
You can't be doing कि आप रोज आ रहे हैं, आप एक ही फॉर्म ऑफ वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, आप you're not mixing it up, तो वो stagnant हो जाता है. You stop seeing the results.
Okay.
That's why it's very important to mix things up. आपने किसी दिन कार्डियो कर लिया, किसी दिन स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग कर लिया, किसी दिन मे बी आपने आउटसाइड वर्कआउट कर लिया, मे बी आपने किसी दिन कुछ और कर लिया दैट इंटरेस्ट्स यू. बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मिक्स अप इंटेंसिटी ऑल्सो, कि किसी दिन आपने हाई किया, किसी दिन लो किया, किसी दिन आपने कुछ वर्कआउट किया. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मिक्स अप ऑल योर रूटीन. एंड ऑल्सो अनदर थिंग इज ट्राई अचीविंग so that when you push yourself with a new routine, you'll be like, oh, you've achieved something new. So when you achieve something new, you get motivated to further achieve something better and bigger.
Okay.
So that is one thing that always works out for me, is that don't get stagnant. Try different classes, try different forms of it. So it's always fun and engaging.
Okay.
And secondly, you can find like a community, an accountable partner, or maybe a trainer. So they'll be like, oh, come work out. Agar kisi din you're not feeling motivated, so the other person is motivating you. So when you have somebody to be accountable to, it brings out a better best in you.
So motivation is also important.
Absolutely.
Even if you're working out, you need someone to motivate you every day.
Every day. And no matter how long you've been into this, you need the push sometimes.
But I think when you see changes in yourself, like your skin is shining, you're looking more fitter, so like that is also motivation, I believe.
Yeah, that's definitely a motivation. So some days, that's what keeps you going all the time. But there are times, जैसे आप बहुत सारे clients हमारे पास ऐसे भी आते हैं, they'll be like, मैं छुट्टी पे गया था, और मैं छुट्टी से जब वापस आया, मैं 10 दिन की छुट्टी में था.
That's also I want to ask you, like अगर एक बहुत बड़े लंबे ब्रेक के बाद when someone starts his fitness journey again, so how difficult it is? Is it okay, like एक लंबा ब्रेक ले लिया and फिर से आप start कर रहे हो? Is it okay to do that?
What's the most difficult part in that process? Is just to get out of the bed.
Absolutely, because I'm giving you my example. I do walk every day. Every day I go for a walk for around 10,000 steps or what. But then when I go for vacations and then I come back here, the most difficult part for me is to get up from my bed.
Yeah,
like I wake up early at 5 a.m. early in the morning and then I go for a walk. But तब ऐसा लगता है मैं 8 बजे तक भी सोती रहूँ, प्लीज मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत करो, मुझे कोई वॉक नहीं करनी. So it happens, like it's very difficult. So is it okay, like what would you suggest कि क्या करना चाहिए ऐसे में?
Like when I feel like when I also go for vacations, काफी आलसी हो जाते हैं फिर कि यार 10 दिन आपने वर्कआउट नहीं किया है, तो यू फील लाइक नाउ हाउ डू आई गो, आई डोंट फील आई फील लेजी, आई जस्ट वांट टू probably I'm very happy at the pace I am. But that's what it matters. It's all mind over matters. You have to show up that day. When आप स्लो स्टडी कीजिए, मे बी स्टार्ट विद अ ब्रिस्क वॉक, स्टार्ट विद थोड़ा सा जॉगिंग. आप कुछ अगर आप पहले 50 मिनट करते थे, आप मे बी अभी लोअर इंटेंसिटी में आप कीजिए, मे बी आप 30 मिनट कीजिए, बट जस्ट गेट अप एंड गो आउट. दैट मोटिवेशन विल फाइंड यू अगेन. So it's absolutely okay for everybody to take a break, because of course we all are humans. We will probably get bored of the same cycle again and again. But when you realize it, that you want to get back at it, and when it starts hitting, that will come from within. Just go for it. Don't let your mind have a second thought. Get out of bed, go and brush, and you'll be all fresh. And once you brush, you will never be like lazy again. So
उतना ही लगता है बस.
that's the only
That's the only thing.
it's the only second thing that आप बस बिस्तर से उतरो and just go to the washroom and brush.
I know. I have experienced it. Okay, Jayashree, now let's talk about this Ananta Fitness Center. It's so well maintained, I can see it.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
So, how did it all begin? Like, कैसे start हुआ? From where did you get this motivation to start a fitness center?
So,
And just tell me one thing. This is a very beautiful name, Ananta. So, what is the meaning of Ananta?
thank you for asking that question, because that's a very, very, very close thing to my heart. So, Ananta is actually a Sanskrit word, which basically means like jiska koi ant na ho.
No, okay.
So, I always believe that your fitness lies, anything that you do, you just have to put your mind into it. There is no end
No
to
end
what
to
your
it.
mind can achieve.
Absolutely.
So-
What a lovely name and what a lovely
Thank you. So, that's the entire concept of it.
You can achieve. There's no end to it. You can achieve whatever you want, whatever your mind needs.
Yeah, you just have to be, you just have to put your mind into it, and everything will fall into place. You just have to work, like consistency. You work to it, and it will bring out the results. So
Lovely.
that's why, like, when people say कि oh अब मैं थक गया, maybe अगर आपने 10 मिनट भाग लिया, and people be like, हम अपने आप को बस बोलते रहते हैं मैं थक गया, आप 11वां किलोमीटर कभी नहीं भाग पाओगे. बट अगर आप 10वें किलोमीटर में अपने आप को बोलो कि I can do it, you will push yourself probably from 10 to 15, not even just 11.
Absolutely.
So that's the entire gist of Ananta. It basically means your limit is only you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you offer at Ananta? Why? How different it is from others?
So at Ananta, we offer a wide range of classes. We tailor-made programs. Our expert trainers actually tailor-made it for you in terms that anybody who's just starting out or who's been working out for a very long time, we try to make it, engaging, fun, engaging, innovative classes for everybody. So
Okay.
at Ananta, we have various classes, be it like cardio session, be it anything. So we have classes ranging out from Zumba, aerobics, we have dance fitness, then we have boxing, we have classes in which we do kettlebell classes, we have HIIT, we have strength and conditioning. We've
Okay.
tried to make it a variety. This is just to start with.
Okay.
So we try to add varieties to it. Also, we try to do a lot of workshops. We hold a lot of interest in bringing more people from outside to take workshops, so that it becomes like a thing altogether where you want to go and explore yourself. And
As you told me, it should not be stagnant.
Yeah.
So you keep bringing variations to your fitness program as well.
correct. But here's the thing that Ananta is not just about working out. We are about creating that community, because I always believe that energy is shared. So when like-minded people come here, when they start working out, they get happy. You leave so much more happy energy at this place.
Absolutely. Happiness is important.
So, when you leave that happy energy at this place, many more people come in, it's energy shared and borrowed. And when you leave out from here, you go back happy. So, we try to build a community. So, Ananta is not just आप आके अपना वर्कआउट कर लिया. Probably आपको जिम में 5 जनों का नाम नहीं पता होगा. बट जिनके साथ आप यहाँ पे वर्कआउट करते हैं, वी आर फ्लेक्सिबल आवर्स, तो आप सुबह आ सकते हैं, शाम को आ सकते हैं, whenever you form a community. So that ways you keep pushing each other.
Okay.
You're consistent also, because you have somebody accountable to, your trainers, your partners. And we have we love it when people come back with saying that, I started out this much, I couldn't do this much pehle, and now I have achieved. A lot of my friends have told me, in fact, the other day I'd gone out for dinner, and a friend of mine, she was like, जब मैं start out की थी, मैं 10 burpees कर पाती थी. Ab Jayashree, you won't believe I'm able to do 20 burpees at a particular time and I don't get tired. That keeps us very
Okay.
motivated and happy.
Absolutely. So you're spreading happiness as
Yeah.
well.
Happiness, mental peace, we're giving, we're more than just.
Because I think the ultimate goal is mental peace and happiness.
Absolutely.
It's very important. Whatever you are doing, be it you're working, you're exercising, whatever you are doing, even if you're sitting in your room, I think peace and happiness is very important.
It helps you sleep so much better.
Absolutely.
You're keeping happy, you stay healthy. When you're not happy, you will invite, illness. You will invite sadness.
Absolutely.
You will invite maybe darkness. And you invite everything else also in life a certain kind. But when you're happy, you're releasing all that negative energy, you look forward to better things. And that's, I love it when people fall in love with working out. So at Ananta, that's our main motive. We try to make anybody who comes here fall in love with themselves, celebrate your body.
Because you have experienced it.
I have experienced it. A lot of the people who come here, they tell us that, we're able to do so much more better. And they have, everything falls into place. So that's the entire, as to how this is very different than that of a gym also. And
Actually. Okay. So do you think like you keep inspiring people as well? Like when they come here, you talk to them, you have a conversation with them, you keep inspiring them like every day. Like when they come here, they exercise, and then you ask them that tomorrow you have to do this. You keep motivating people. Do you do that?
That's the best part that I like. But in fact, people motivate me more. Like I get so inspired. We have, when people who have certain issues in life, or people who are trying to push themselves, or people who are trying to find themselves, what am I exactly what am I doing in life, or anything at all. I feel inspired by them. When they come into Ananta, they tell us this thing, there is this thing going on in my family, so I'm working out. I want to look a certain kind. I have certain goals to achieve, or maybe anybody. I absolutely love it when people inspire me. So we push people. If people are not coming to, they're not been working out for a few days, we call them that, we text them, we push them that come on. It's just like, you're lazy for one day, but it's just 4% of your entire day, 1 hour of workout. So come on, give it back to us. Like, come work out, thoda sa karo, jitna bhi karo, but just come. Because they say a little progress each day adds up to big results. So I love it when people come here, they feel inspired, and फिर वो लोग जाके दूसरों को inspire करते हैं.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Because अगर वो खुश हो जाते हैं when they're working out, and मतलब बहुत सारे जन, अब when you go outside, ठीक है, अनंता के बारे में it's not necessary that they're always talking about Ananta, but they talk about fitness. आप कुछ भी करो, बस आप fitness पे focus करो, because that's the way of life. That's a healthier way of life. So we all motivate each other. The trainers motivate us all the time. We motivate people motivate us, people motivate each other. So that's the community that we want to build.
Absolutely. So now let's talk about you, Jayashree. We have talked about a lot about the fitness and all. So as a woman entrepreneur, how was your journey? How inspiring it is, how interesting it is, how difficult it was, or how easy it was? Like how many people you inspired, how many people inspired you, and how do you manage, how do you balance your work life and family life, because you have a family life as well. So how do you manage like these because you're juggling between work and we women always juggle between work and family. So how do you manage all these things? How do you balance things?
Thank you for asking me that question, because you yourself being a woman entrepreneur, I know you understand that takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of, you have to keep a balance between family and work.
And people are not always happy with you.
You either find ways to make them happy, you stay happy at your end.
Yeah.
That gets the peace. But starting Ananta has been an incredible journey. I mean, I am not from here altogether myself. I belong to Nepal, like you mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
But, ever since I started my journey in 2019 into this fitness thing altogether, so I used to be like, वो fitness trainer मेरे को बहुत cool लगता है. Like, I love it when वो workout कराते हैं, लोग उनकी सुन रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. I used to always dream of it. मेरे को I never enjoyed working when I used to be like, laptop में आप emails करते रहो, ये करो, वो करो. That was never a part of my life. So when I moved here, I had a very supportive, I have a very, very, very supportive husband. I have like an incredible mother-in-law here, and even my father-in-law, who's always been like, you work, we will take care of the rest. You know, आपको जो करना है, जैसे करना है, आप करो. And my Dadaji is also, every day he'll ask me, आज कैसा था तुम्हारा काम? आज अच्छा था, अच्छी बात है. You know, some days he'll be like, oh, आज तुम रेस्ट करो, तुम भी काम करो, तुम थक गई होगी. So I've been very blessed in that ways that, you know, I've had a family support. I wouldn't lie, but they probably will give me 80% or 90% of, you know, what I am today is because of the family support that I have.
That's important.
That is very important. And even my family back at home, like, you know, my mom, my dad, my bhabis, brothers, I've always seen that, you know, they have been a certain kind in fitness. So that inspired me a lot. Now, when you ask about being a woman entrepreneur in a new place, I had a lot of ups and downs. Like, it was a big roller coaster for me.
Okay.
Because मैंने कभी कोई construction करी नहीं है life में. I've always been like my father's always taken care of everything for me. आप hostel भी जब मैं थी तो I didn't have to, you know, look out for myself or anything that ways. Everything was done for you. But when I've always been very independent also, but that ways. But when I started कि we have to build something like Ananta, I had to go through, I started finding like, you know, it's difficult of course, but the inner strength, you only get stronger and stronger. It's not easy of course to manage both like family and home, but you have to, you know, you will find your ways through it. You adjust to things, people adjust to you, you find your ways of making up to things. You know, if I'm not able to give it time, my mother-in-law gives it time. She understands it pretty well. So, I mean, you know, it falls into place. You just have to be strong. Everything falls into place. If you've got a family that supports you, if you have a husband that will take up even a bullet for you if required. So, you know, that ways everything will work out for you. And I think manifestation. मतलब
I believe in it.
I believe in it big time too. मैं हमेशा से सोचती थी कि you know जब मैं कुछ करूँगी life में, Zumba used to interest me a lot. And that's just my first start. I have so many more things to achieve. I have a lot of vision for Ananta and myself in the future.
Okay.
But you know, when I came to this place, I realized कि यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. One, आप जिम जाते हैं, आप वर्कआउट नहीं करते हैं, आप stuck feel करते हैं. It's a problem with many people.
Many people.
You know, it's a thing altogether. So I started realizing कि यहाँ पे वो scope है. Like, you know, but again, getting into this entire track has totally been like, you know, support of everybody else around me.
Absolutely. Because I've seen a lot of women, they said we have started working, but we do not get family support. Sometimes they get family support, but they do not get support from the people out there.
Yeah.
So I think it's very difficult for, especially for women, because वो थोड़ा सा, you know, out of track जाकर ही काम करते हैं हमेशा.
That
you know,
I
they
don't
have
know
to
why
balance
it
a lot of
happens,
things.
but
Yeah.
that's a very big issue.
That's
like,
a
you
very
know,
big issue.
everybody will be like, oh, you're a woman, how do you manage this and that?
How do you manage?
You don't ask that to a guy. कि आप कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो?
कि हाँ कि घर पे बच्चे कैसे, घर कैसे चल रहा है? अरे, we are managing it.
That is very true.
We are managing it. So that's why I asked this question, because a lot of women need this inspiration. Like even you are running the fitness center, you're an inspiration for a lot of women out there.
I hope
and
I am.
how difficult? Yes, you are, because you have like you left your corporate job. A lot of people are dying to get that corporate job. Like it is difficult, you know, because you're earning, you're getting specific salary, and you have reached to that level after working so hard, and leaving it all of a sudden just to follow a passion is also again a different thing, you know. Only inspiring people can do that. You're
That's
one of
very
them.
sweet of you. Thank you so much. I think I'm going to sleep very happy tonight hearing that. But, you know, you just have to believe in yourself. Like, when you believe in yourself, you will be able to achieve everything that comes in your way. So, you know, I always visioned myself कि नहीं, corporate से नहीं. I love it when people talk about, you know, I want to do this, I want to do that, and they're inspiring and they have like a fitness goal, but they're not able to understand क्या कैसे क्या करना है. I absolutely, you know, love having that conversation. Okay. I love it about wellness. जैसे health होता है, वैसे ही wellness altogether.
Yeah.
I enjoy all this a lot. So when I moved here, I didn't find anything of that sort. मैं gym भी जाती थी. I was actually very sad when I moved here for the first year, to be honest.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Because I've been away 16 years and suddenly you come to another place altogether. Like you mentioned, I was in Missouri, Pune, Delhi, Bombay, everywhere else.
Yeah.
Like, you know, and then you come to a
Big
place.
cities and
Yeah.
metropolitan cities.
All throughout. But then when I moved here, earlier I was very sad and then I started working out on my own. I started working out at home and all. It started getting me clarity. Ki maybe this is my purpose of life. You know, when I'm getting happier, I can bring that out in people also.
Absolutely, it doubles.
It doubles and फिर वो motivation अलग हो जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
Because you see that, you know, you are trying to get something out. तो अंदर से motivation और आती है. So as a woman entrepreneur and to inspire others also, if you're saying I could be inspiring, I want to just say, stay motivated, keep working on it, keep working on it. There'll be many downfalls that you're gonna have. There'll be many people who will self-doubt, you know, there'll be many people who will doubt you. You might self-doubt yourself also at times. But it's a process. Trust the process. Just cut the negative things in your head. Say good things to you. Sleep on time. And you know, when you wake up, manifest that I am going to achieve this. And you will achieve that. There can be nothing that stops you.
Very nice, very nice. It was really glad. I'm really inspired after meeting you.
Thank you so much.
Fitness trainer plus motivational speaker. It was
Thank you so much.
A conversation with you. Really, it was a great conversation, and I'm sure people now a lot of people are aware of Ananda Fitness. Although it is very famous here in Dibrugarh, but
I'm trying
now people
to
know you better. Like, what are your goals? What are your visions about this fitness center as well?
But thank you so much for being here.
I'm honored to be here.
Thank you. I had an absolutely lovely time talking to you.
Same here. I got aware of lot of things, lot of myths about fitness and what is necessary, what is unnecessary. I have learned a lot of things from you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
With this, we wrap up our session with Jayashree here. And if you have any queries or any doubts, you can contact her. Her
Definitely.
number is in the caption below, so contact her.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.